Imagine buying a stock for $667 and today it's only $624. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what's happening with Resolve AI, and one of the smartest investors in the world is betting big on it. Stick around because I'm breaking down all the shocking details and why this could be a massive opportunity for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Resolve AI, a company flying under the radar but making waves in the AI world. I'll explain what's happening with this stock, the big moves by Citadel, and why you should care, even if you're new to investing. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why Resolve AI is turning heads and what the potential could be for investors. Let's start with Citadel, Ken Griffin's hedge fund, famous for making billions through smart investments. Last week, they bought Resolve AI at $676.7 per share, spending almost $100 million. Now, compare that to today's price of $6.24 per share. Huge difference, right? Ask yourself, who has a better understanding of the company's value? Citadel likely has inside insights on contracts and growth plans. They're betting on long-term gains, not short-term losses. This tells us there's serious confidence behind the scenes. Resolve AI isn't just any company. They've built a platform for agentic commerce, meaning autonomous AI systems handle buying, negotiating, and trading on behalf of people and businesses in real time. Recently, Resolve acquired SmartPay, a company that processed $1 billion in transactions over the past year. While the price wasn't disclosed, this move strengthens their payments layer and could pave the way for crypto integration and faster, smarter commerce. Resolve has three key layers powering its AI ecosystem. 1. Intelligence. Their proprietary AI, brain power, ensures reasoning and contextual understanding. 2. Payments. SmartPay allows instant settlement and smooth transactions. 3. Data. Real-time infrastructure gives AI agents the info they need to learn and adapt. Together, these layers form the backbone of the future of AI commerce. Imagine AI becoming a trusted middleman for all transactions. That's what Resolve is building. Now let's look at numbers. Resolve AI's revenue in the first half of 2025 surged 426% year over year to $6.3 million. Annual recurring revenue, ARR, is over $90 million, and the company raised 2025 guidance to at least $150 million, with 2026 guidance of $500 million. That's huge growth. Technical analysis shows an inverse head and shoulders pattern, hinting potential upside to the $8 range. While not guaranteed, this setup signals buyers are taking control and the stock could rebound strongly. AI isn't slowing down. NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, highlighted that AI computing demand is skyrocketing. Meanwhile, the US and China are in an AI race. Billions in investments are fueling the private sector. This macro backdrop makes Resolve AI's growth even more exciting. Other markets. Russell 2000 is up 1%, Nasdaq up 0.82%, SP up 0.53%, while cryptos and gold are performing well. Amidst this, Resolve AI is quietly positioning itself as a top player in agentic commerce. From my view, Resolve AI is an under-the-radar winner. Citadel's $100 million bet at $660 per share shows institutional confidence. The stock today is much cheaper, offering a potentially lower-risk entry for investors. Short interest is dropping, signaling less pressure from short sellers. The company is gaining traction without much media attention, which could lead to significant upside as more people discover its potential. Personally, my positions in Resolve are performing well, but remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional. Stay tuned, because later I'll share the part of my own portfolio that's all in on Resolve AI. What do you think? Is Wall Street missing something huge here? Comment your thoughts below. But here's the part that really shocked me about Citadel's purchase. I'll reveal it in a moment. If you're enjoying this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I want to hear your thoughts. Would you invest in Resolve AI or wait on the sidelines? Drop your answer in the comments. I read everyone.